What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2018 Ram 2500, the 6.4 HEMI Powerwagon. Beast, it's huge. So what we got done on it is we get the factory converter there, and the other one is there. And then we put a vibrant ultra quiet resonator on it and ran it into 3-inch tailpipe all the way out into a tip. 3-inch tailpipe all the way out to the side. Black, I think it's 4-inch rolled tip. It's real clean, real nice. The black tip really sets off the color scheme. But we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. That's the old one we cut off. I think that's a 40. It's either 40 or 50. I'm not quite sure. Not bad. Again. 113. What it peaked at. Not bad. Not too bad. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside.